Number 1. Which ordered pair represents a point located inside the star but outside of the oval? Remember to label the X and Y in your ordered pair, and we walk before we fly or dive. Number 2. Use the information about recess soccer goals to arrange the players accordingly. Make them matching forms. Remember to change them either all to fractions, decimals, or percents. Then arrange the players in ascending order of goals scored. Remember, ascending means least to greatest. Number 3, which equation is true? A, 8/10 is equal to 80 hundredths. B, 13/10 is equal to 1 3/100ths. Or D, 15/5 is equal to 3/10. Remember to simplify. Number 4, Mr. Martinez has 6/14 of a tank of gas. Mrs. Winstanley has 4/7 of a tank of gas. The amount that Mr. Swift has is between the other two teachers. Which of the following could be the fraction of gas in Mr. Swift's car? Justify your answer by placing all three teachers' amounts on a number line. Remember to change your fraction to a common denominator, then graph on your number line. Number 5. In math class, Judy's teacher wrote the following numbers on the whiteboard and asked each group to put the numbers in order from greatest to least. 6/8, 52 hundredths, 25%, and 9/2. Which of the following is in order from greatest to least? Number 6. During art class, students were mixing water and flour to make Play-Doh. Each student would need to divide 6 cups of flour in half and share with their partner. Which expression does not represent the amount of flour each person would need? Number 7. Mr. Garza bought 2.5 pounds of potatoes one evening. His family ate 75 hundredths of the potatoes for dinner on the same evening. How much of the potatoes did they eat? Number 8. Susie and Sally were working on an art project that required yarn. They found 4.5 feet of yarn in their home and decided to split it up evenly. Which of the following does not represent how much yarn each girl would get? Number 9. Which of the following would result in a product greater than the first factor? Remember, we're looking for the second factor that is greater than 1 whole. So which of these factors show that we're multiplying our first factor by more than 1 whole? For example, 9/5 is greater than 1 whole. Number 10. Which integer does not belong in the triangle portion? Use the table strategy to classify your numbers. You will need to simplify 9/3 before you classify.